On October 1, 1908, the first Ford Model T rolled off the production line. The Model T would go down into history as the first mass-produced car. In honor of this birthday, we present you 10 facts on the Ford Model T. While the Model T is often associated with being available only in black, it was actually produced in several colors in its early years, including gray, green, blue, and red. However, due to production efficiencies and a faster drying time, black became the predominant color after 1913. In addition to being produced for the American market, the Model T was also manufactured in right-hand drive configurations. These versions were exported to countries like the United Kingdom and Australia, where driving on the left side of the road was common. If you like this style of videos, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make a video on another car or subject. The Model T's wheels featured wooden spokes, which were common for the era. These wooden spokes were susceptible to wear and decay, and they required regular maintenance and replacement. Early models didn't have electric starters. Instead, drivers had to hand crank the engine to start it. Electric starters became a standard feature later in the Model T's production. The Model T had a 2-speed planetary transmission, which was controlled by pedals rather than a gearshift. The left pedal engaged the reverse gear, the middle pedal acted as a neutral, and the right pedal was for the forward gear. The Model T was not a speed demon. Its top speed was around 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour, and it had a relatively modest 20 horsepower engine. However, it was designed for reliability and affordability rather than speed. Beyond personal transportation, the Model T was adapted for various purposes, such as becoming the basis for early pickup trucks, delivery vans, and even agricultural tractors. Ford offered conversion kits for these purposes. The Model T had significant ground clearance, which allowed it to traverse rough, unpaved roads and navigate through fields. This feature was essential in an era when road infrastructure was limited. Henry Ford revolutionized automobile production with the Model T by implementing assembly line techniques and interchangeable parts. This led to significant cost reductions, making the car more affordable to the masses. The Model T was in production for nearly 2 decades, from 1908 to 1927. During that time, millions of units were produced, making it one of the most influential and iconic cars in automotive history. Thank you for watching. If you want more of these videos or want to support my channel, you can do so by subscribing, which is appreciated.